why do the best directors seek you? Whether it's Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra, whether it's Vishal Bharadwaj, they all wanted to work with you. The greatest, Yash Chopra Sahab. Take us back to that time when you had a chance to work and with the unforgettable role in Veer Zara. Do you look at it as fondly as your fans do?
I grew up with a fantasy, very extreme desire of being a Yash Chopra heroine. Attic, that was the thing. I wanted to be in the Alps. I wanted to be wearing a chiffon sari. That's a manifestation you give up to the universe that ये बड़ी जोर से मन करे. कैसे होगा वो तुम्हारा problem है, but करना है. And then I signed up for this talent hunt form. I never thought I'll be selected. To cut this long story short, I got selected, and who do I see sitting in the panel of people? One of them is Yash Chopra, and one of them is Suraj Barjatia. They're all sitting, and I'm shaking, and I'm like, am I going to actually perform in front of them? Will he just think she's too good and let me cast her in my next film? Nothing of the sort happened. Of course, I was selected, and I came here. 4-5 साल it took me making my mistakes, signing up multi-starrers, doing those 2 songs. And I said, but Yash Chopra never happened to me. I mean, that was something I was seeking. And I did a show called Kadam, where every story, a different episode, I played a different role.
Yes. I remember Kadam, of course.
And then I think that got me introduced to the industry in a very different way. And I got a call from Adi. He said, we want you to do this. Okay, so this was great, but I didn't know it was an unconventional role. Unconventional roles 20 years back were not spoken about. You were either the heroine who's romancing the hero, or you're the mother or bhabhi. ये बीच में ये unconventional क्या आया जिसका रोल बहुत खूबसूरत है, इसे क्या बुलाते हैं? वो किसी को पता ही नहीं था कि इसको नाम क्या दें.
क्या बात है?
तो एक तरफ if I'm shooting with Rituparna Ghosh, then I'm shooting with Yash Chopra. If I'm shooting with Shyam Benegal, then I'm shooting with Rakesh Mehra. It was a huge confusion where she belongs. So because the time of the art cinema had kind of become gone. And this was that turning over period, which was a good marriage between commercial and art. So मैं उस वक्त आई थी. And I mean, it was then of course Yash Ji happened, and I think the kind of love I got for that film to date, it's been 20 years with that film, that love remains. And the doors, when they opened after the premiere, I'll always remember that was my first taste of stardom, where it was for me. हमेशा मुझे लगता था कोई किसी और के लिए आया है. पहली बार मुझे लगा ये मेरे लिए आए हैं. And I told myself, hello, this is for you. Take it with, have that self-esteem to say this is for me. तो वो जब हुआ, I think that was my Yash Chopra moment. But I did feel कि आप जो शिद्दत से चाहते हैं होता जरूर है, लेकिन उसके तरीके अपने होते हैं.
बिल्कुल, उसका रूप जो है वो कुछ और ही होगा.
Absolutely.
लेकिन होगा जरूर.
I
mean, how many people can say that they worked with the great Yash Chopra? There's a handful, and I think you're one of them. I also have always been curious to ask you कि there was a national award, that features in your illustrious filmography for a film that not many people know of. उस नेशनल अवार्ड के मिलने से क्या ज़िंदगी बदली थी? क्योंकि जब नहीं बदलती ज़िंदगी, एक नेशनल अवार्ड के मिलने से वो कहानी फिल्म लायक है मेरे हिसाब से.
I'll say until then people thought, what do you say?
Underrated.
Underrated actor, brilliant actor should be used more. All that would happen all the time, and I would be like, okay, great, it's at least underrated, it's not overrated. I would make myself happy or bring myself to peace, but it bothered me, of course. And then came the national award when I was least expecting it. The films I expected it for, मतलब इसके लिए मिलेगा. But I think इसका हर चीज़ का divine timing होता है. And I was packing my bags to go for a shoot. And I got a call from one journalist and the other journalist. And I realized they were happier for me than I was for myself. Hey, तुम्हें national award मिल गया. It was like, okay. And धीरे-धीरे, I think there came an added respect with that. I wouldn't deny that. And that underrated thing gradually disappeared. Roles also started coming national award winning actor.
Yes.
तो वही चीज़ मुझे लगता है कि आप एक किसी भी चीज़ को जब आप एक नीचे वाले शेल्फ पे रखते हैं, तो आप उस हीरे को शायद नहीं देखते, बट उसे सजा के उसके आसपास प्लांट्स रखते हैं, फिर आप कहते हैं ओ ब्यूटीफुल,
बिल्कुल।
ब्यूटीफुल प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ व्हाट अ डायमंड। तो प्रेजेंटेशन करना, उसे लोग किस नज़रिए से देखते हैं, आपको कौन से शेल्फ पे रखा गया है, तो मेरे लिए वो अवार्ड ने वो काम किया, और
Yeah.
उसके बाद ऑफ कोर्स द परसेप्शंस चेंज्ड।
You know, when you talked about कि what are the roles of women in the movies, either you're the heroine, either you're the mother, either you're the bhabhi, and it just made me realize that's so true, क्योंकि यही roles जो हैं actually हमारी society में भी ऐसे ही हैं. You know, you don't have anything for women who don't fit into these roles. You know, या तो वो आपकी wife है, girlfriend है, या तो वो आपकी, because there is no दोस्ती, okay, technically for women. They're not bros, they're not buddies. There's no roles like that. At least they used to not be.
Yeah.
And I think it was a reflection of our society. But because of that, when कुछ चीज़ exist ही नहीं करती, उसे बनाना पड़ता है. And I think you've truly created a space for the woman. I'm saying forget the actor, forget the heroine. The Indian woman could be, you know, differently abled. You know, she could help you in many ways. She could be a part of the narrative. She could still not steal the spotlight. Keep your spotlight, yeah. But I'm curious to know from you, जब कुछ नया करना होता है ना, तो उसकी कोई क्या बोलते हैं, उससे पहले ये बनी नहीं है, ये ज़मीन नहीं, आपने तैयार किया ना ये ज़मीन, उस ज़मीन को तैयार करने में बहुत चैलेंजेस हो सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, कौन मोल लगाए कि इस कैरेक्टर का वर्थ कितना है? क्या स्क्रीन टाइम डिसाइड करता है? क्या आपकी एक्टिंग एबिलिटी डिसाइड करती है? क्या ये नेशनल अवार्ड डिसाइड करता है? सो माई क्वेश्चन टू यू इज़, how does one negotiate a price then? Did you ever go back and have to say that you deserve more for a part?
Just the price?
Yeah.
Or otherwise. I think, Javed Saab had very beautifully said something. He said, जो पहला कदम उठाता है ना, वो रास्ता उसके लिए थोड़ा ज़्यादा मुश्किल होता है ना, क्योंकि you're taking that first step. आप कह रहे हैं कि सब हाईवे से जा रहे हैं, मैं ज़रा उस रास्ते से जाकर देखती हूँ, बट उस रास्ते पे तो अभी बुशेस हैं, उस रास्ते पर उसको आपको थोड़ा बनाना पड़ेगा. फिर बाकियों के लिए जो पीछे आ रहे हैं वो रास्ता बन गया, लेकिन जो बना रहा है उसके लिए बहुत मुश्किल है. So yes, when I came in, of course, the thing is no one was there to launch me. As I said, my shelf was नीचे. तो उसमें आपको जब ऊपर आना है तो आप क्या करेंगे? आपको वो एक्स फैक्टर खुद बनाना पड़ेगा. You'll have to say, I know I'm good, but how would you know I'm good? So this thing I learned from my mother. She said, you know, whatever's offered to you, Divya, take it and make it yours. In a way, add your own to it. That people say, ki, you know, who's this? I have my star, but who's this? And that gradually started happening with me. People started gradually noticing me. They said, हाँ, पहले notice कर रहे थे, फिर तारीफ करने लग गए, फिर मेरे लिए चीज़ें लिखी जाने लगी. It's been slow, it's been gradual, but it has happened. And of course, you need crazy amount of patience. Yes, I ask for what I deserve, but there are also some beautiful projects that you do, which are made from all heart. लोग कई बार अपने घर बेच के फिल्में बनाते हैं, रोहिणी. उनसे आप ऐसे नहीं मांगते. आप कहते हैं कि ये बहुत अच्छी कहानी आप कह रहे हैं, आप बहुत शिद्दत से बना रहे हैं और मैं इसका हिस्सा बनना चाहूँगी. आप एक तरफ वो करते हैं. Of course, money is very important, but it's never been the deriving or the deciding factor for me. But yes, if you're paying a certain amount to someone and you're asking me to reduce, I will stand up for it. I will. Now I can and I do.
Amazing.
Just to